Alright, today I'm going to show you how to build automatic water out of a 5-gallon bucket. Just your normal 5-gallon bucket. You want a lid for it. And these are little cup waters. Now I got the ones that they move. Let me see if I can get this thing right. When the water fills up, they pull down and shut off. And that way they're not sitting there pecking that little nipple. And I was reading a lot of reviews and people say they'd peck them and get dirt on there and your automatic water would stop up. These are the little cluckers. These was off Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks for 5 of them. So you'll need to order those. It took me like 2 days to get them. Just a marker, regular standard drill, a 3/8 drill bit. That's what size these nipples right here are, is 3/8. Just regular bucket. And very simple. All right, let's get started. Now this right here, I'm going to save one of these as a spare. I'm only going to use 4. In case I do have one gets broke or goes bad, I've got a spare. So we'll put one back in the bag. You don't have to do that, that's just something that I choose to do. So, I'm gonna go measure off my handle. Nothing crazy, so my handle hangs like this. So I'm gonna put a water, we'll hang it, and I'll come up. This is, you can see you got about a 1/4 inch lip right here on the bottom of your bucket. And I'm gonna come up about 1 inch from the bottom. You gotta leave enough room where you can tighten this right here up. That's all you gotta do. Make sure you drill it good and then come over a little ways. Alright. We got 2 holes right there, about 6 inches apart. So I'll come over on this side. Do the same thing. Then you got 2 holes, about 6 inches apart. So that way you can still hang this up in there if you need to. So first thing you want to do is you got a little rubber gasket. Just push it all the way down on there. Like that. And you'll take, and then one thing I forgot to mention, you may want to take a knife and deburr these holes just a little bit. So you'll get a good seal. And nothing to be blocking it. Just like that. Got some little holes in there, they're deburred. Then you'll take, put with your gasket on there, put your first one on. You'll want to make sure it's pretty level. You can eyeball it, it ain't gotta be perfect. But you wanna get it, pretty close. So you just kinda eyeball it level. And you don't wanna get it crazy tight. there you have it. I got 2 on each side. So let's go hang this up and get some water in it and let's see how it works. Alright, there's the automatic water hanging. Simple rope you can buy at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Tied off the bucket, and I did wash it out. Alright, now remember, rope may not be the best thing. I may upgrade that to chain, because when I started filling it up, it started sagging down to the ground. So that's about maybe 4 or 5 inches off the ground. So the more they drink, the higher to come up. So say when the water gets empty, little cup fills right up. Then when it's full, now remember, when it spreads out a little bit, here, hold that, hold it steady. The lid may be a little hard to put on it, so you may have to pop it back out a little bit.
Okay.
But other than that, you got it sealed off.